Implementation. Denial of service tools Kali Linux. Armin Shahriarian.
Implementation denial of service tools Kali Linux. Legal and ethical consideration. Using DOS or DDoS tools without authorization is illegal. Always ensure you have permission from the system owner before conducting any attack simulation. These tools can cause significant harm and should be used only for ethical purposes, such as authorized penetration testing and security research. Denial of service or DOS and distributed denial of service or DDoS attack aim to disrupt services, systems, or networks by overwhelming them with excessive traffic or resource requests. Kali Linux, designed for security and penetration testing, includes various tools that can simulate or launch DOS or DDoS attack. Important. Using these tools to attack systems without explicit authorization is illegal and could lead to severe consequences. Always use these tools ethically and with proper permission. Here's a detailed explanation of some common DOS or DDoS tools in Kali Linux, including examples of their usage. Use them only for ethical security testing. First, tools for denial of service or DOS attack. HPing3 tools. HPing3 is a versatile packet crafting and analysis tools. It can be used to generate custom TCP IP packets, making it suitable for simulating different types of DOS attack. For example, sending a high volume of SYN packets or SYN flood to a target IP address with this command. For test or implementation this command, copy this command and run Kali Linux terminal. Paste this command to terminal Kali Linux and open new tab, ping google.com and this IP from Google reply. Copy this IP and paste in command and change port to 444 and enter. HPing3 command DOS attack for correct working. Cancel this and next command. For explanation, HPing3 command. This command sends a continuous stream of SYN packets with -s options to port 80 or other port of the target IP, the source IP address, to make it harder for the target to block them. Next command, slow loris. Slow loris is designed to send HTTP requests very slowly to exhaust server resources, causing a DOS attack. For example, using slow loris to attack a web server with this command, slow loris target URL. This command, copy and paste to terminal and remove targets and use this IP. Google Slowloris not installed, with yes installed Slowloris, DOS, and after installed Slowloris, use this command Slowloris IP. Work correct and perfect, this command. Next command, this command Slowloris sends HTTP request to the specified target URL, holding connection open to overhaul the server. Next command or tools, Metasploit. Metasploit is a comprehensive penetration testing framework with modules for various tasks, including DOS attacks. For example, performing a simple DOS attack using Metasploit. With first use this command MSF console, go to terminal Kali Linux and use MSF console, enter, wait to load MSF console. Next use auxiliary /dos/tcp/synfloat. After MSF console run, use this command. Paste this command and next set rhost target host, set rhost target host, for example Google IP, and enter. Rhost sets and sets our ports, for example port 443, set port, and run command, run use this command synfloat DDoS or DOS, work correct. And this example uses Metasploit to execute a synfloat attack on port 80 or other port of the target's IP.